3 ways to keep dog hair out of your vehicle. For many pet owners, taking their furry friends along for a ride is one of life's simple joys. However, the aftermath of these outings often involves dealing with a vehicle interior covered in dog hair. Not only does pet hair make your car look untidy, but it can also impact air quality and trigger allergies. Here are some helpful ways to keep dog hair out of your vehicle. Regular grooming. One of the most effective ways to minimize dog hair in your vehicle is through regular grooming. Frequently brushing your dog helps to remove loose fur before it has a chance to become embedded in your car's upholstery. Depending on your dog's breed, they may require daily or weekly brushing sessions to keep shedding under control. Additionally, regular baths can wash away loose hair and keep your pet's coat in optimal condition. Seat covers. Another practical approach to managing pet hair in your car is by using seat covers specifically designed for pet owners. Waterproof covers offer the added advantage of protecting your seats from spills and accidents, while hammock-style covers create a barrier that prevents your pet from climbing into the front seat. Some seat covers use materials specifically designed to repel pet hair, making them easier to clean. Cleaning and maintenance. Despite your best efforts, some pet hair will inevitably find its way onto your vehicle seats and floors. Regular cleaning and maintenance are crucial for keeping your car free from pet hair. Start by vacuuming the seats and floors thoroughly, using a vacuum cleaner with a strong suction and pet hair attachments. You can also use a rubber glove or a pet hair removal brush to gather and lift the fur away from the fabric. Microfiber cloths can be effective in picking up hair from hard surfaces. For a deep clean, consider a professional detailing service. Since pet hair removal is one of the most common reasons to detail your car, these services use advanced tools and techniques to ensure your vehicle is spotless. Enjoying stress-free rides. With the right approach, keeping dog hair out of your vehicle is achievable. By implementing these ways to keep dog hair out of your vehicle, you can enjoy stress-free rides with your furry friend, knowing your car remains in top condition.